Hello! Good evening. Tonight's news: we are watching a snowstorm go into tomorrow, Friday, February 6th, 2026. Snowstorm is expected to start at about 3 a.m. and end at about 4 p.m. tomorrow. All schools are closed for tomorrow. We are watching at least 8-10 inches of snow for most areas. Areas like Plotagon are expecting about a foot of snow. Last day of school for Plotagon is now on Tuesday, June 9th. Hello, good evening again. Plotagon got the most snow at 12 inches exactly. A foot of snow. Temperatures are expected to drop to about 5 degrees in Plotagon tonight. Dangerous cold until about Monday or Tuesday next week.